Welcome you all. This is Chandra Chemistry online chemistry class. In this video, we are going to discuss about Unit 9 Solution Standard 10th Introduction. First of all, you want to know about some terms. That terms are solution, solute, soluble, insoluble, dissolve, and solvent. If we take some solution, for example, if we are taking a pure water, salt water, sugar water, sand water, that is pure or mixture. Look at these different liquids. These are pure or they mixture. That is filling depending upon the particles present in it. If you are taking a sea water, that is consist of different salt particle and different chemical particles to it. So that is mixture. If you are taking a sugar water, that means you are taking a water, add small quantity of sugar to it, stir well, you are getting a sugar solution. Or if you are taking a pure water, add small quantity of salt to it, stir well, you are getting a salt water. That is pure solution or mixture of solution. Yes, that is not a pure solution. Pure solution means that is consist of only water particles. But here both the solution is containing water particle plus sugar particle or salt particle. So that is a mixture of solution. The sugar has not disappeared. Here sugar particles are completely dissolved into the water to form a sugar solution. A solid dissolved in a liquid make a solution. In a solution, the liquid is called as solvent and the solid is called as solute. So here water is solvent, solute is sugar, final product is sugar solution. So solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. In a solution, the component which is present in lesser amount by weight that is called as solute and the component which is present in the larger quantity that is called as solvent. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Therefore, solution is the mixture formed when a substance dissolved in it, that is consist of solid particle and solvent particles. Solid means the substance that dissolve. Solvent means the liquid in the solution. Here dissolve means mixing of a substance in a liquid. Soluble means a substance which can dissolve. Sometimes some particles are insoluble in water. So that is called as insoluble. A substance which cannot dissolve in a liquid. Example, sand with water. Next topic, types of solution. Air, that is a gaseous solution because that is consist of oxygen gas and nitrogen gas. Liquid solution, most of the drinks that is consist of some of the mixture of particles plus water. Solid solution, best example is alloys. Example, steel, brass. Alloys means mixture of two or more metals in a particular proportion. If the solid particle get distributed uniformly throughout the solvent and that solution is called as homogeneous solution. Here solute means the component which is present in lesser quantity. Solvent means which is present in larger quantity. Normally the solid get distribute uniformly throughout the solvent. The solvent acts as a dissolving medium in the solution. So the process of uniform distribution of solid into the solvent, that is called as dissolution. Dissolution means the process of uniform distribution of solid into the solvent. So a solution must have at least two components. One is solvent, another one is solute. Such type of solution which are made up of one solute and one solvent, that is called as binary solution. Binary solution means containing two components. One is solute, another one is solvent. For example, formation of copper sulfate solution. Here we are taking copper sulfate salt and water. Copper sulfate salt dissolved in water to form copper sulfate solution. Therefore, copper sulfate solution is containing two components. One is copper sulfate salt, that is act as a solute. Solvent is water to form a copper sulfate solution. So this solution is a binary solution. Suppose you are taking salt, sugar plus water. If you are taking a water in a beaker, add small quantity of salt to it, and then you are adding sugar to it. Now our solution is containing how many components? Yes, three components: water, salt and sugar. Here salt and sugar completely dissolve into the water to form a solution. Okay, so two solid particles dissolved in one solvent. Such kind of solution which contain three components, that is called as ternary solutions. So finally, conclusion. What is solution? A solid particle dissolved in a liquid to make a solution. That solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. That is consists of two components. One is solute, another one is solvent. Solute means the component which is present in lesser amount by weight, that is called as solute. Solvent means the component which is present in a larger amount by weight, that is called as solvent. That solute get distributed uniformly throughout the solvent, that is forming a homogeneous mixture. If the solution containing only two components, that is called as binary solution. This binary solution containing one solvent and one solid particle. If the solution is containing three components, that is called as ternary solutions. Thank you.